Hey guys, Ajay over here and welcome to my channel, My Passive Income Mentor. On this channel, I review latest digital marketing products and do how-to videos on starting your own business online. If starting your own business is something that you are looking forward to, do consider subscribing to my channel, and that is the exact content that I cover in my how-to videos. Today I will be reviewing a digital product for you known as Kickstart. So Kickstart basically solves one of the main issues with list building, which is having a high quality front end giveaway to build your list. So how it does that, what is the product, and everything we'll be discussing about as we go into the members area. If this is something which interests you, consider being with me to the end of this video, as I have put together some custom bonuses so you can profit out of your purchase of Kickstart. Now, to get access to my bonuses, you have to click on the link in the description below, which will bring you to my bonus. So on this bonus page, once you click on this yellow color button, you will go to the sales page. Since the page is still not live, it is still 9 hours till it to be live. So once you come over here, you can click on the similar yellow color button and get access to the product. So I will just go into details about the bonuses that you have if you do decide to purchase the product. So the first bonus I have for you is Sales Minute Sales Machine. The 7-minute sales machine system will teach you how you can make sales online using a very simple script and a very straightforward framework. That is what is covered in 7-minute sales machine. The other bonus that I have for you is 4 ways to get instant design inspiration. So this product will teach you how you can make designs and then you can go out and sell them on Fiverr and other places. The third bonus is 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. So these email marketing tips will basically go well with the product because the product itself is based upon list building, and these email marketing tips will collide with it and make your product even more effective. Now I will be providing you access from a secret product for a first 12 hours only. So be sure that once product launches, you buy the product, and then within your members area you will find the upsell for the product. And then there's special bonus from the vendors, which is basically gram grants and back to profits, right? So again, now that we are quite familiar with the product, let's go into the members area and see what is the product all about. Now once you come over here, you will have a welcome from a important announcement. Then the most important thing is that if you go to the first part of it, the building your list. So this is almost a 40-45 minutes video which will teach you how you can build your own list. Now the list will be built, as I told you in my opening section, by giving away a high converting product. Now this is the product that you're going to be giving away, which is affiliate marketing for newbies. Along with it, you have 8 days of follow-up sequence and all. So this is a very high quality product which is had received a lot of positive feedback, and which is why when you give away high quality product to your list, the chances of them opening your emails, responding to your promotions is much higher, which is what Kickstarter allows you to do. It teaches you how you will get traffic and all, but it solves the important equation of having a high quality giveaway product in the first place. Many people struggle with that, which is where this comes into place. So you have the first video, and then you have the second video, again how you can explode your list. Now there are some of the upsells over here which we'll just discuss. Now suppose the Kickstart boost will teach you even more traffic sources like YouTube traffic, Facebook traffic, Twitter traffic, Pinterest, Instagram, Quora, solo ads. Then Kickstart Pro is the second bonus you have, the second upsell, and then you have again these 5 bonuses if you decide to pick up the upsells. Now we'll just go into details about what the upsells are. Now the entire all the product that I showed you, the front end, so it's like just a $1 product, not even any kind of risk for you, but you will get access to the basic training for $1. Then you have Kickstart Boost, which is for $17 and $12 downsell. So basically you will get a full promo package and training showing exactly how to drive traffic from 6 free traffic sources I just showed you in the other video. Then you have Kickstart Pro, which is $37 and $27 downsell. This will teach you how to earn recurring commission or even high ticket commission from products that you're giving away in the free training. Now Kickstart Elevate, $97 and $67 downsell. You will get access to one of their members who will go will do a one-on-one with you for 1 hour and will help you with any issue that you have. Then there's Kickstart Gold, which is $197, $147 down sell. So Kickstart Pro is the DFI version of Kickstarter Pro. So basically what you get in Pro, you will get, it will be done for you in Kickstart Gold. Then Kickstart Reseller, $137.97. Basically in this you can 100% commission on the entire funnel if you decide to sell the funnel to your list. There's this demo video on my page which you can come and see over here. So all of these bonuses and all of the upsells are available to you only till the countdown timer touches 0. So you have some time still to purchase. And again, once you purchase your product within your Warrior Plus account, you will have a button which says access your affiliate bonuses. So you did not actually get in touch with me or the vendor to get access to your bonuses. They are there in your members in your Warrior Plus account itself. Now that you are aware about the product, the bonuses and the upsells, let's just go and discuss what the sales page is, because the sales page is still not yet live. But however, the money, so basically it is an entire training on making money, building your own list. Also it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, and you have these two bonuses that I have told you. Very straightforward product, especially for $1. It is a no-brainer, because instead of going and spending hours on YouTube going through stuff which is good, which is bad, you don't know, you can just go through a training for $1, which will give you the basic knowledge and also guide you if you need some advanced knowledge. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below.